The answer is a resounding yes. Welcome to the complex world of machine learning model poisoning. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a dog. You show them various pictures of dogs, and over time, they start to understand what a dog looks like. Now imagine someone else comes along and starts showing the child pictures of cats, but insists they're dogs. Confusion ensues. This scenario, in essence, mirrors what happens in machine learning model poisoning. Machine learning models learn from data, feed them the right data, and they become an invaluable tool. Feed them the wrong data, and things get messy. In model poisoning, attackers introduce harmful data during the training phase, leading the model to make incorrect predictions or decisions. It's like teaching the model that cats are dogs. Model poisoning poses a significant threat to the security of AI systems. It's not just about getting a model to recognize a cat as a dog. In more serious cases, it could mean tricking a facial recognition system into